September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me every time that you pick up the phone. And I had control in the driver's seat.
I'm basically fresh out of work, off of work, not out of work, but off of work. And I am going to be coming to you with my Allure unboxing. And it comes in a regular box. You open the box up. In the box it says hashtag Allure box. Then I open the box and it has a little booklet. A little booklet, no coupon, booklet. And I'm guessing this is just all the products that is in the box. And I'm guessing this looks like a lot of products. I didn't think so. It's just some featured products. Maybe it's a lot of products in the box. So in the box, not in the bag, there is an Anywhere Cream multi-stick in grapefruit. So it just smells like nothing really. I'm not really sure. I'm guessing this is like blush. But this looks like it might be full size. The Anywhere Cream multi-stick. The Anywhere Cream multi-stick will nourish your skin while infusing your cheeks, lips, and eyes with fresh, purely pigmented color. So I'm guessing it's like just saying you can use it on anything, I'm guessing. So it show all in one little stick. Like, I don't know if I would see myself using this product. There's a little swatch. It has like a little reflex in it, but it's like clumpy, so I don't know how that would be on a lip so much, but it's like, it has a little gold reflex in it. I'm guessing this is like, if you want to do like a soft makeup look. I don't see myself putting this directly on my eyelids like this because it's not really working out too well. But when I swatch it on my hand, it gives a nice little pigment. So I would probably wear this if I wasn't wearing makeup and I just wanted some like foundation. I just wanted some color on my cheeks, because this is not really gonna blend too great. Maybe it will, but I doubt it. I'm gonna try it on my lips, and you can use it like that. As soon as I wipe the lip gloss off my lips, let's get this lip gloss off. Ew, gross. Maybe this would be cute under some gloss. The Anywhere stick. I think this is stupid, but that's just my personal opinion. And opinions are like buttholes, we all have them. So, next thing I got was the Seriously Smoothing night oil. This was the stick, and it came in this little box. And this is the Seriously Smoothing Night Oil. So, it says your skin will say, welcome to skin wellness is what it says actually. So I'm guessing you just, I don't know, I'm guessing this is like to hydrate your skin through the night. It's makes my skin feel really smooth. It does. I'm not even gonna lie. Next thing I have is this Vinci Laboratory Mineral 89. It is, yes, baby. What? Go get back in the tub. Get back in the tub. It's a daily skin fortifying booster. I guess the only place I haven't put anything is on my forehead. It's like more of a serum consistency, which I expected. The next thing I got was this Essentials Derma E Microdermabrasion Scrub. So you apply it to your wet skin and just scrub it on in there. My lips still feel kind of moisturized from that little lipstick, face stick thing. I also have another overnight balm. Iren Skincare. And then I have this toner. I had this brand before in the rose water for like, I think a soap, face soap, and it was really good. So here's the toner that goes to it, to the collection. And then I have an eye gel. Sanace eye gel. And this is for puffy dark circles. And I really do believe I have those. I do believe so, darling. I got some puffy circles under my eyes, and I'm just gonna place that under my eye since I think I need it. Just highlighting my dark circles from bottom forward. As soon as it dries, it'll be cuter. But hey, that was my Allure subscription box for the month of March. I know this video was in my bathroom, but hey, just wanted to do a quick little video. So thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time.